Hey everybody, Mulot here, and today we have another box of 16-17 Fleer Showcase Hockey. Gotta be honest with you, I'm a little under the weather. I may just rip through these and hope something gets me excited, but here we go. Obviously, again, looking for the anything Matthews, but a lot of cool stuff in these boxes. A lot of autograph variations, a lot of inserts, stuff like that. I think I'll just go off the top, left to right. Let's see what happens. Oh, already struggling. Corey Crawford, Andrew Ladd. Oh, look at that. A Blue Ice rookie Fleer Showcase of Pavel Buchnevich. I'll take it. 175 out of 199. That'll work. That's off to a good start for me. Sid Crosby, Erik Karlsson. Yeah, Marian Hossa, TJ Oshie. What is this? Hot Prospects Quads. John McFarland, Dennis Malgin, Brent Renier, and Shane Harper. Quads. I've never seen this. I guess all Florida Panthers. It's numbered to 399. That's pretty cool. Just imagine a Maple Leafs one of those. That'd be amazing. Or the Winnipeg Jets, for that matter, in this draft year. Nathan McKinnon, Patrick Sharp. That's really cool. I've never seen the quad prospects before. Kevin Shattenkirk, Jonathan Toews, Red Glow rookie Martin Frisk, numbered of 25. Look at that. So far, not a bad box. Hot Prospects Red Glow. Sweet. I'll take it. Martin Jones, Max Domi. Next up, Patrick Hornquist, Jaromir Jagr. Got a Metal Universe of Travis Konecny. Filler card, Connor McDavid, Anze Kopitar. Kyle Palmieri, John Gibson. Scoring Kings, Mark Messier. Barkov and Corey Schneider. You know, there's definitely a hit in this one. Let's save it. Could be a rookie auto patch. I hate to be like that, but I'm gonna be. Next up, Jack Eichel. Here's the EX 2017 for Travis Konecny. Again, Philadelphia guy I'm not real familiar with, so hopefully it pans out to be something cool. Filler, Jordan Obley, Kuznetsov. Onward and upward, we got Henrik Lundqvist, Joe Thornton, Fleer rookie of Christian Dvorak, Filler, Nikita Kucherov, and Logan Couture. Mike Hoffman, Jerome Iginla, another rookie, Jimmy Vesey. All right. I don't think these are numbered. No, just regular rookie cards, but still pretty cool one to have for the Rangers. Robbie Fabry, Pekka Rinne. Got a Roman Josi, David Backes, Red Glove Gustav Nyquist, filler card, Phil Kessel, Alex Ovechkin. Moving right along, Jonathan Toews, Mark Stone, Metal Universe of Johnny Hockey, Mr. Goudreau, Jamie Benn, Corey Perry. Oliver Ekman-Larsson, Taylor Hall, Erik Karlsson Red Glow, filler card, Nazi Kadram, I can't even talk today, I'm so sorry guys. Dustin Byfuglien, Freddie Anderson, Ryan O'Reilly, Fleer Metal Universe of Joel Eriksson Ek, filler, Joe Pavelski, and Claude Giroux. Almost through this box. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I appreciate it. Johnny Gaudreau, Louis Erickson, Red Glow, Sidney Crosby, filler card, the timeless Yaroslav Halak, Jonathan Quick. Down go the packs. We got Leon Draisaitl, Max Pacioretty, Ovechkin Fleer Showcase, filler, Jimerson, something like that, Andrew Ekblad. Last row, and then we'll get back to that one hit, see what's in that pack there. Hopefully it's something to get excited about on a day like today. I gotta move these filler cards. I'm about to knock them over. Still didn't move them far enough. Tyler Seguin, Artemi Panarin, Jimmy Vesey again, Metal Universe, filler, Vlad Tarasenko, Evgeny Malkin. Stamkos, Vasilevsky, rookie, Austin Matthews. Finally, an Austin Matthews rookie at a Fleer Showcase. Probably not one of the greatest ones to get, but it's an Austin Matthews nonetheless, so I will take it. Jeff Skinner, Gustav Nyquist again. Last pack before the hit, unless there's also a hit in here, but I doubt it. Matt Zuccarello, Nicholas Backstrom, Scoring Kings of Pavelski, chase card, Chris Letang, Patrice Bergeron. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go back to this guy. See what we got here. I'll grab the two off the bottom. Drew Doughty, PK Subban, Braden Holtby, Sean Monahan, and what do we got here? It's a goalie. Hot Prospects patch auto of Daniel Alshner for Carolina. I don't know who he is. I gotta be honest. Good looking signature, nice looking patch. Numbered out of 135. Daniel Altschuler. Hopefully pans out in Carolina. Those bunch of jerks have been doing pretty good anyway, so I'll take it. Awesome, guys. Well, that wraps up the 16-17 hockey. Sure I'll have more stuff coming soon. Hopefully I'll feel a little better, have a little bit more excitement in my voice, have my voice back. That would even be better. But thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye.